Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. So today I actually got into this trade, right? So today I got into this trade right here. As you can see, it was a sell trade. Now I want you to analyze this trade just within 5 seconds and tell me whether this trade is a good trade or a bad trade before we analyze it together, right? So just try your best and do that and tell me. So I'm just going to give you only 5 seconds, right? So obviously, if you say that my entry was very far from the breakout right here, you are very wrong, right? It doesn't matter where your entry is. If you look at trend right here, you obviously realize that the change of character was around here, or the market structure shift was around here. Now you could have still entered into a trade here, or even here, right? And it will still push all the way to that direction, right? Because the trend was actually moving up. So why was this a bad trade? Now let's analyze it. So first of all, we broke through this level right here. We dropped all the way down, meaning price was in a downtrend, right? So this was our resistance level with this other block right here. Price came to that other block and we resisted, pushed all the way up. Price came all the way back down to this level right here, and we have another serious or strong push all the way up, right? Now this push rather broke through this level right here, giving us another market structure shift. Now when a market structure shifts, that means that what price is just going to find liquidity from down there and do what, and push all the way up, right? Because at that moment we are now in an uptrend, we are no longer in a downtrend, right? So price came all the way down to this level, find its liquidity, and push all the way up to this level, breaking through this high too as well. We are officially in an uptrend. We are no longer in a downtrend. So why is this entry so wrong, right? Because this was the first trade I was taking throughout the day. I wasn't taking a lot of trades throughout the day. I just wanted one or two trades. So this was the only trade I was going to take, and probably maybe the 714 method, right? So that was just what I wanted to do. I just wanted price to either push to this level right here or this level right here. But I was blinded by this trend right here. When this trend just got broken through, I was blinded by it. And when this small or internal what support got broken through, I confirmed that what price is dropping, right? But I did not get the time to do what, analyze the trend actually. So when you analyze the trend, let's see what's actually happened. So obviously we broke through this level right here, giving us a change of character or market structure shift. We broke through this level right here, giving us a new high, right? So indirectly we are in an uptrend. So with this right here is our last low of this trend, and this is our last high of that same trend. So indirectly we are still in an uptrend. We are not in a downtrend. If price had come all the way down to this level right here, broke through it, then we have something like a retest or just a break of structure, then we are now confirmed that price is doing what, price is going down. So around this time we were still in an uptrend when I got into that sell trade, right? Pretty much simple. That was how wrong it was. So I did not analyze it very well. I did not analyze it very well. That was why. Because if I had, I would have realized that this is the whole trend that actually broke through this level right here. So indirectly, I'll just put my Fibonacci level, which will probably be somewhere here. 61 will be somewhere here or something like that. And I would have been looking to do what, to enter a buy around this level with my stop loss just being below the trend low right here, right? Pretty much simple and pretty much easy. So I would have been entering inside a buy just around this level right here, which my stop loss just probably below this low, because this is price's lowest point around this level right here, right? So pretty much simple. That's what I should have done. Or if I wanted a buy trade, I should have just waited again for price to do what, just break through this level right here, and I'll enter into a buy, right? So that was it. Now I actually lost this trade. I lost it about 2k. Yeah. So I lost about 2k to this trade, but I actually got into the 714 method. Right, the 714 method came in handy. It's actually what saved me, or it actually made me a very good trade, right? So obviously, if you look at the trade, you realize that the 714 method was good, right? Now this was actually a very good trade because I had to close my bigger trade as well. I had to close it around 30K, right? Uh, you see how greediness can make you not make a lot of money in this forex market, because around this level right here, I was about 50K or something like that. So I had to close it around somewhere 30K. But that's just by the way. Now, if you look at so this was the trade that I got in. You obviously realize that when this got broken through, I entered around somewhere here, which immediately just reversed all the way up, right? So obviously we are already in a 714 method, and when you look at it, the 714 method during its or when it finishes, we're in something that I call the what an equal trend or the triangular trend, right? So we started from here, came all the way down to this level, went all the way up. So with this, you have only two levels to enter into your trade. When price breaks through this level right here, when price breaks through that level right here, so this level right here and this level right here. Now, obviously, price did break through this level. If you look at it, I don't know, it's too messy. But price did break through this level right here, and we reversed all the way down again. So I just wanted to see either whether price will do what break through this level too. But no, when news came in, price did what push all the way back to this level right here, and we closed above this high. So when we closed above this high right here, so I did what I entered into my trade when we had this small reversal, this small candle that just pulled back to its this candle right here. It pulled back. I got into my trade right here. So I kept my stop loss here because this was a very nice push. So price wouldn't have had the time to actually pull all the way back again, right? So that's just it. The 714 method actually came in handy. Now I obviously think we are still reaching this high right here. We might even push through it. It depends on how we reach it, how powerful the trend is. If the trend is super powerful, I might leave the trade to actually get out around somewhere here. But this is my last high. This is the place that I actually think price will hit and will probably drop or will probably have a retracement, right? So either way, we'll see what happens to this trade. But since today is Friday, I will be closing this trade probably in an hour because yeah, probably in an hour because I don't like leaving trades throughout the weekend, right? Under normal circumstance, weekends I try and trade Bitcoin. It's just too volatile and I hate it, but sometimes it gives me very, very good trades, right? So that's just it. And obviously, if you look at our trade right here, so a lot of people would have gone out of this trade. Now, this is the fair value gap that we can just hit and probably drop. That would be a very bad idea. But price did make a very huge retracement all the way back to this level right here. As you can see, I said I was going to leave these two trades as a swing trades. I was going to leave these two trades as swing trades, so I'll still be leaving it. But this trade right here, I'll be getting out probably around here, and if price do reach here, I'll be getting out as well. But with this trade, I'll be leaving it because I think those are swing trades, right? So that's just by the way. I'll see you guys in the next video.